Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gita Noviana. I'm majoring Mathematics, Science, and Technology, University UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. Here I will try to review typical food from the one of the cities in Indonesia. Okay, now I'm going to review one of specialties from Palembang. Does anyone know this for this? We are already familiar with eating this. Yes, pempek is a special food from the birthplace. This food is popular in Indonesia. Maybe some people don't know the manufacturing process or the basic ingredient of the pempek. I will explain a little stage of the manufacturing process. The basic ingredients of pempek is sagu flour. This is sagu flour. The side is making pempek using corned fish. Ta-da! Actually, there are many types of fish that we can use for the basic ingredients of the pempek, including macaroni fish, belida, but the belida fish may be a bit strange to her because indeed belida fish are rarely found on the island of Java and the surrounding. But the belida fish are quite easy to find in the city of Palembang and surrounding. This is a Victor belida fish. For processing fish with a milling process with first friends, the mix with flour dough, additionally spicy and other seasonings, and the result of pempek processing might be like this. Ta-da! For the pempek making stage is the finishing. Next to the stage of making vinegar soap. Quite easy in making this vinegar soap. The basic ingredients is corn sugar, tamarind, cayenne pepper, garlic, tasty more delicious corn and the every ml of the board. The result will be like this. For the preparation, don't forget the pempek first. Oh yeah, I'm almost forget. In the pempek mixture in the be added with egg filling or the sauteed or papaya just to be tasty. After that, pour the vinegar sauce for the additional topping and add cucumber slices and cracker to make it more delicious. The taste of pempek sauce to the sour, spicy, and the taste of the pempek tends to be savory. The savory taste is obtained by mixture of the fish in the batter earlier. Is there anyone here who has never tried the traditional food? Don't forget it, friends. If you want to make it yourself, you can step by step. It's easy. Oh yeah, I almost forgot again. There are many types of pempek, pempek lenjer, pempek kulit, pempek lenggang, pempek adaan, pempek kepiting, and pempek kapal selam, and many other. How anyone introduced to try it today? Good luck! Is enough for the food review, then I give this time. Hopefully it's usually. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.